Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious vegetarian marshmallows. Traditional marshmallows rely on gelatin, which comes from animal collagen. To make them vegetarian, we swap out gelatin for plant-based gelling agents. The most popular and effective substitute is agar-agar, derived from seaweed. This simple change allows everyone to enjoy fluffy, sweet treats without any animal products. We'll cover everything you need to know to create perfect, bouncy marshmallows right in your own kitchen. To begin your vegetarian marshmallow journey, gather a few key ingredients. You'll need agar-agar powder, granulated sugar, light corn syrup, and water. Don't forget a dash of vanilla extract for classic flavor and a small pinch of salt to balance the sweetness. For equipment, a stand mixer with a whisk attachment is essential for whipping. A reliable candy thermometer is also critical for reaching precise temperatures, and a 9 by 13-inch baking pan will be perfect for setting your treats. The process starts by blooming your agar-agar powder in a small amount of cold water for about 5 minutes. This helps it dissolve smoothly. Meanwhile, combine your sugar, corn syrup, and the remaining water in a saucepan, cooking it until it reaches exactly 240 degrees Fahrenheit on your candy thermometer. Carefully and slowly pour this hot syrup into your bloomed agar mixture while your stand mixer whips on high speed. Continue whipping for 10 to 15 minutes until the mixture is thick, glossy, and has tripled in volume. For truly perfect vegetarian marshmallows, a few tips will make all the difference. First, ensure your agar-agar is fully dissolved in the initial blooming step. This prevents any grainy texture. Second, don't skimp on whipping time. Whipping for 10 to 15 minutes ensures maximum fluffiness and a stable structure. Third, generously dust your prepared pan with a 50-50 mixture of powdered sugar and cornstarch to prevent any sticking. Finally, allow your marshmallows to set completely for at least 4 hours, or even overnight, before cutting them into squares.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.